Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to change the language on the X app using the latest updated steps. Whether you're switching to your native language or just exploring the app in a new one, this quick guide will walk you through each step clearly and easily. First, open the X app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so everything saves properly. Once the app opens, look at the top left corner of your screen and tap on your profile picture. This will open your main menu where all your important settings are found. Next, tap on Settings and Support. This section is where most of the customization options for your X experience are located. From there, select Settings and Privacy. Inside this menu, you'll find controls for everything from privacy preferences to display settings. Now, scroll down a little and tap on Accessibility, Display and Languages. This is where you'll find the option to manage how X appears and functions. Under this section, you'll see different display and language options that help you personalize your app experience. Then tap on Languages. After that, go to Preferred Languages. Here, you'll see a list showing your currently chosen language along with other available options. To change to a new language, tap on Update Language. A list will appear with all the languages supported by X. Browse through the options, find the one you want to use and tap on it. Once selected, tap Next to confirm your choice. That's it. The app will automatically switch to the new language and all menus, buttons, and instructions will now appear in your selected language. This can make your experience more comfortable and easier to use, especially if you prefer using X in your native language. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on how to change the language on the X app. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to follow along for more quick and useful tutorials just like this one.